My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Operatemostoriginaltheproduct.vip. This is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The website tries to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. This potentially unwanted software may be formalized in certain unwanted browser extension, such as the browser hijacking extension, or the extension that may work as adware and show its multiple advertisements. So if you see these pop-ups by Operatemostoriginaltheproduct.vip, you shouldn't interact with them. If any extensions were mistakenly added into your Google Chrome browser, you should get rid of them, of course, by accessing the menu. Go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.